Alright, so we got a bypass thermostat now. Let's see if we got 24 volts here. We definitely need a contactor. Yes, whoever you had out here, this does work, because that is a shunt. But is it right? No. So let's see what we get here. So now we got 15 volts instead of 5. What is going on here? Interesting. Okay, loose connection at the fan center. Let's see if we got a full 24 volts now. So, I still don't have 24 volts here. I know there's 24 volts inside. I swear if it comes down to this little guy right here, this guy is all corroded.